Hey there and welcome back. We've already gone through 7 modules of the Google AdWords series. You've learned about what Google AdWords is, what are the mechanics, how you can start your own campaign, and the strategies and tactics to go about it. We finally reached the last module where it's all about optimizing your AdWords campaign. From the previous modules, I'm certain that you are now able to launch your Google AdWords campaign. Once Google approves your ads, congrats! You're now up and running. However, even if you are on the right track and doing everything right, it's still hard to assess how well you're performing in the scene. Bear in mind, most campaigns that are just starting up will also need some time to generate profit. Therefore, test running your AdWords campaign is key to ensuring its success and sustainability. There are 3 ways to conduct your tests. 1. Keep track of your keyword bids. 2. Optimizing your click-through rate, CTR. 3. Landing your page conversion rate. First, keep track of your keywords bids. Once you've generated your clicks and sales, you'll still need to adjust your bids. If your keywords are generating profit but you're still not ranked as the top campaigner, then you should continue to raise your bidding price. However, if your keywords are not generating any profit, you would eventually have to lower your budget in bidding or pause the campaign to improve your game. Second is optimizing your click-through rate, CTR. Your CTR directly affects the performance of your quality score, which is the relevance of your campaign. This will then determine how much you pay per click. The higher the quality score, the lower you pay per click. Therefore, to optimize your CTR, test run different AdWords campaigns to see which version gets the most clicks. Finally is to check your landing page conversion rate. That's done by comparing different versions of your landing page. But fret not, there is a shortcut to this method. For starters, you can make use of the Google Analytics experiment, where it's easy and free. This tool enables you to test any slight change or variation to your website, which enables you to measure which landing page generates the most conversions. So now you're good to go. I hope you've already mastered the tricks of the trade in the Google AdWords scene. You can focus on optimizing your campaigns by adjusting the necessary features to maximize your conversion rates and minimize your costs.